upbeat, inspiring music begins. Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn the American dream into a reality? This is a story that starts on the tense, uncertain streets of 1960s Cuba, with families making the heart-wrenching decision to leave everything behind for a chance at freedom. Imagine being a young girl, arriving in a completely new world, the bustling neighborhoods of 1970s New Jersey. The sights, the sounds, the language, everything is different. This was Nely Galán's reality. Her journey wasn't an easy one. Like many immigrants, her early years were about survival and hard work. Picture a determined teenager, juggling school while cleaning houses and babysitting, all to help her family make ends meet. But even then, a fire was burning inside her. She wasn't just working, she was dreaming. We see her, late at night, pouring her heart and soul into an essay, a guest column for 17 magazine. That piece wasn't just an article, it was a key. It opened the first door to a world she was destined to conquer. That door led straight to the heart of the media world, New York City in the 1980s. The energy was electric. Fast-paced editing rooms, the clatter of keyboards, the relentless pressure to create. In this high-stakes environment, a young Latina woman began to make her mark. Nely wasn't just participating, she was innovating. She climbed the ladder with grit and talent, leaving her footprint at legendary networks like CBS and NBC. This wasn't just about getting a seat at the table. It was about building a new one. Nely's vision was bigger. She saw a massive audience that was being ignored. The Hispanic community. She pitched groundbreaking shows, navigated tough negotiations, and fought to bring authentic stories to the screen. She was a force of nature in executive boardrooms, a young Latina executive who refused to take no for an answer. And then came the moment that would change television history. The creation of Telemundo's first ever original programming. This was more than just a new slate of shows. It was a cultural revolution. It was Nely's vision made real, a platform for her community's voice. We see the dramatic signing of documents, not just ink on paper, but the foundation of a media empire. Nely Galán didn't just become a network president. She became the first Latina president of a major US television network. Her story could have ended there, at the peak of corporate success. But for Nely, that was just the beginning. She sold her network, not to retire, but to reinvent herself once again. She became a powerhouse entrepreneur, a best-selling author, and a passionate advocate for female empowerment. Her mission: to teach other women, especially women of color, how to become self-made, how to build their own tables and create their own wealth. Through her Adelante movement, she has traveled the country, mentoring and inspiring countless women to unleash their entrepreneurial spirit. She teaches that your circumstances don't define your destiny. From a refugee with nothing to a media mogul and a beacon of hope, Nely's life is a testament to the power of resilience, hard work, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Her story, set against the backdrop of the American flag and the sprawling city skylines she once dreamed of, is a powerful reminder. It shows us that no matter where you start, with courage and a clear vision, you can write your own script and build your own empire. Nely Galán didn't just achieve the American dream. She redefined it for a new generation. If this story inspired you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible journeys. Thanks for watching.